We are going to see the custom report module of FEDINA today. So we are going to go to data reports, and here we'll see this link, custom reports. Since this is a plugin, it should be enabled from the SaaS panel. So we are going to come to this custom reports, and here we can create customized reports for the students or the employee personal details. So here, for example, I'll create a student report, and that report I can set the criteria for that report. For example, let's say I want the students who fall in the student category of staff child. So these are the student categories that I've already created, and while admitting the students, I might have selected their category as one of these. So now I want to get a report based on the category of the student. So these are the criteria that I can select. And in that criteria, what is the specific option that I want? I can check that from here. I can check more than one. And then what are the fields that I want to see? For example, for all these staff children, I want to see their admission number. I want to see the first name. And let's say I want to see parent username, which is the new feature enhancement that has come up with FEDINA 3.4. And then we can also see, let's say, the gender. So in this way, I can select these columns, and these will be the columns for this report. And I can even rearrange these columns by clicking on these arrows. For example, let's say I want to see the first name of the user like this. So I'm going to rearrange it by clicking on these arrows here. So once I've done this, I can give it a name to this report. Let's say we have staff child in overall. Let's say this is the name. So this is the name of the report that will be created. So when I save it, it will be appearing like this, staff child overall, and I can click on show report, and it is going to filter the criteria as per what I've set. So these are all the staff child in the school or the institution, and it shows the columns as per my arrangement. So here, this is about the custom report plugin of FEDINA. And also in this way, you can create other reports as well. Like I've already created some reports. The same can be based even for the employee. So I can have a report for employee personal details as well here. So like this, we can create the custom reports, and we can also take the CSV or the printout of these reports for our reference. So this is about the custom reports plugin of FEDINA. Be tuned in for more videos.